In today's video, let me show you how to fix Fiverr notification problem. If you're not receiving messages and notification messages from Fiverr, then let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. By default, whenever you receive a message on Fiverr, you should get a pop-up notification on the top. Now, if you're not receiving this, the first thing that you can make sure is that if the notifications are toggled on. Open up your Fiverr app, tap on the more option, which is the three dots on the bottom right, and from here head over to settings. Inside of settings, head over to notifications and make sure that all of these are toggled on. You can try turning off and turning on them again. Once you do this step, try to see if this fixes the issue. If it does not, the second thing that you can do is uninstall the Fiverr app from your phone. If your phone is having any glitch, then that may be the cause of the issue. Now, this is not only gonna clear out glitches, but will also clear out bugs because you're gonna download the latest version of Fiverr. Downloading the latest version or updating applications will help to clear out any bugs which may be causing the issue. So just download the application of Fiverr again and log into your Fiverr account. Once you do these couple of steps and you're still not being able to receive the Fiverr notification, the last thing that you can do is just restart your phone. Sometimes simple solutions like this can also work when you're not receiving notifications due to the problem being your phone. So restart your phone or reboot your phone and your problem of notification of Fiverr should be fixed. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.